Malaki ang role ng mga responsible adult katulad ng mga magulang and guardian in guiding them, and they also will serve as role model. Kanino pa po natin sinasabing mahalaga sa isang taong pagkakaroon ng kaibigan mula pa sa panahon ng kabataan? Siguro po ay pag-usapan naman po natin saglit ang bahaging yan.
Marami na ring study ang ginawa at napatunayan ng kahalagahan yan sa maraming mga bagay. Sinasabing friendships established during the preschool years create valuable context to learn and practice skills essential to children's social, cognitive, communicative, and emotional development. Friendships also benefit children by creating a sense of belonging and security and by lessening stress.
So may positive impact in holistic development ang pagkakaroon ng kaibigan sa isang individual, lalo na sa isang kabataan.
In addition to that, successful friendships in early childhood contribute to children's quality of life and are considered important to life adjustment and the ability to make and keep friends during the first year of formal schooling signals later in social and academic success in school.
Opo, mahalaga kung gayon na magpatuloy at mag-maintain ng mga kaibigan ng isang tao sapagkat makatutulong ito hindi lang sa personal development kundi maging in terms of academic and career of an individual.